Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best face masks for acne scars that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Body Shop Tea Tree Anti-Imperfection Night Mask. The Body Shop Tea Tree Anti-Imperfection Night Mask will remove most imperfections, hence the name. The mask feels fresh and breathable, formulated to treat oily skin, including blemished skin, as you sleep. Infused with salicylic acid and community trade tea tree oil, the leave-on mask not only reduces the blemishes, tone, texture, and oiliness, but also shrinks them. When you wake up, the skin will be feeling refreshed, soothed, and purified. The memory gel texture is not runny, but also not too stuffy, so that you can apply the product with comfort and ease. The bottle is sturdy and pretty attractive too. The cap is tight, yet easy to remove, and despite the capacity measuring only 2.6 fluid ounces, the creamy mask lasts more than you'd expect. All you have to do is massage the product into the skin and let formula absorb into the face overnight. The mask is meant to be applied daily. Because the product is more absorbent than most face masks for acne, you do not have to remove the mask, do not have to clean anything, do not even have to wash your face afterwards. Moving on, at number 4 we have the New York Biology Dead Sea Mud Mask. Dead Sea Mud Mask from New York Biology is among the most versatile and adaptable masks, compatible with normal, oily, dry, sensitive, combination, and irritated skin. Its advanced formula is packing various Dead Sea minerals that will be purifying and cleansing clogged pores, while the herbal mix featuring aloe vera and chamomile extracts, sunflower seeds, jojoba oil, calendula oil, vitamin A, and vitamin C will be moisturizing the skin, minimizing redness, and reducing different SK-in conditions, chances. Having listed these herbs though, the mud is what tips the scales here, not only soothing and cleansing the skin, but also aiding skin renewal. This mud will be removing excess oil, toxins, dirt, and dead skin cells, giving you the radiant glow you deserve. Besides that, mud treatment also facilitates blood microcirculation and refines texture. The mask is not difficult to massage into the skin, and you only need to wait 5 to 10 minutes before removing it. But the removing part is where things can get tricky sometimes, because the mud is pretty stubborn. At number 3, we have the Cetaphil Purifying Clay Mask. Cetaphil Pro Derma Control Purifying Clay Mask is gentle yet effective, which is precisely what sensitive skin needs. Mild ingredients that will be cleansing the skin without stripping it and without leaving the skin feeling tight and dry. The product is also compatible with oily and combination skin types though. This cream has been formulated with 2 gentle clay types, bentonite and Amazonian kaolin. While bentonite clay will be absorbing oil and minimizing pores, appearance, the Amazonian kaolin clay will be exfoliating the skin, lifting away dead skin cells, and improving the skin's tone and texture. Aside from these 2 clays, the formula is also adopting an apple fruit extracts that hydrate the skin and cucumber seed extracts that brighten the skin tone. The product's also not without cedral and stearyl alcohol, harmless compared to most fatty alcohols, yet potent enough to dry the skin when you use the cream more than once every 2 days, so we'd recommend not doing that. What we do recommend doing is massaging the mask into the skin, allowing the cream to sit for 5 to 10 minutes and rinse it away. As long as you stick to this nice little ritual, your skin will start looking clean and feeling refreshed before you know it. At number 2, we have the AcneFree Kaolin Clay Detox Mask. AcneFree Kaolin Clay Detox Mask is the most affordable product within this selection, offering you 2 bottles, each measuring 5 fluid ounces at the same price that most face masks for acne are selling 1 bottle with much less product inside. Yet, this package is not cutting any corners, except that the mask's consistency is thin and runny, so you'll have to carefully massage the product into the skin. Apart from that, the formula is great, loaded with kaolin clay that absorbs oil and detoxifies pores, charcoal that draws out impurities, vitamin E that allows the skin to retain its moisture, and zinc that prevents clogged pores and reduces oil production. The creamy mask will be cleaning skin debris and minimizing pores, giving you that elusive, healthy glow that all skin needs and deserves. On the downside, the product is not that versatile, compatible with oily skin but not quite with other skin types. And finally, at number 1, we have the Yes to Tomatoes Clear Skin Detoxifying Charcoal Mud Mask. Yes, to Tomatoes is an excellent witty name, and the mud mask from the titular company is easy to say yes to. The mask's rich formula will be drawing out impurities with charcoal, treating and preventing acne breakouts using salicylic acid, and conditioning your skin via aloe vera, tomato, pumpkin, watermelon, and chamomile extracts. The most important one is the salicylic acid though, able to unclog pores, break down blemishes, remove blackheads, and reduce oil production, thus preventing acne. But we're not saying that the aforementioned botanical blend is useless. Quite the opposite, these extracts make the formula as rich and creamy as it is, giving the customers lovely faces the most beautifully conditioned complexion. Since the ingredients here are primarily natural, the people behind this product have been able to formulate the mask without SLS, parabens, and silicone. The formula is also 100% vegan and cruelty-free, so people with moral reservations can buy this one without worrying about any negative impacts. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.